Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the PS5 error code CE1185274. So in order to fix it, the very first thing that you need to do is you need to simply check your storage status. Now this particular error is often linked to download or installation issues. So in order to fix it, you just have to simply open the settings of your PS5. Over here in the settings, look for the option of storage. So when you are inside the storage, you just have to make sure that you have enough free space before trying again. Now you need to cancel and restart the download properly. For that, simply go to downloads. When you are inside downloads, simply cancel the current file which is downloading. Afterwards, simply restart your PS5 and then you need to simply download it again. This also clears the corrupted downloaded data. Now you need to rebuild the database in the safe mode as well. For that, you just have to turn off your PS5. Afterwards, you need to simply press and hold the power button until you hear the second beep. Then select the option of rebuild database. This step is going to help fix the system file errors that are causing installation problems. Another fix that you can do is you can simply fix the restoring licenses. For that, go to the settings of your PS5. This time look for the option of the user guide. Over here, when you are inside, simply select the option of restore licenses. This also resolve the issues relating to the game verification and access. So you can try these easy fixes and see if it is working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.